Let's solve some problems here. Some values of the linear function f are shown in the table above. Which of the following defines f, the function? So it says that it's a linear function, so our function would be f of x equals mx plus b. So this follows y equals mx plus b. So we need to solve for our slope and our y-intercept. Okay, so we just have to use the values in the table. So we can choose 2 points here. Let's say 1, 5 and 3, 13. And then we solve for the slope. That is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let's say this is our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So our slope is just 13 minus 5 over 3 minus 1. So this is just equal to 8 over 2. So our slope is just equal to 4. And now for our y-intercept, we already have the slope. So our equation is just f of x equals 4x plus b. So we can choose any of the 3 points here to solve for b. So let's say we use 0.15. So when x is 1, y is equal to 5. So that is 5 equals 4 times 1 plus b. So b is just equal to 5 minus 4. So our y-intercept is just equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of the line or the linear function f of x is just equal to 4x plus 1. So our answer here is letter C. To make a bakery's signature chocolate muffins, a baker needs 2.5 ounces of chocolate for each muffin. How many pounds of chocolate are needed to make 48 signature chocolate muffins? And it says here 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So let's solve for the signature chocolate muffins in ounces first. So we need to make 48 signature chocolate muffins, and then we multiply that by 2.5 ounces, and this is just equal to 120 ounces. Okay, so we need 120 ounces of chocolate for each signature chocolate muffin. And now we need to convert this into pounds because we are asked for the number of pounds. So that would be 120 ounces times, it says 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. Ounces here can cancel out. So we have 120 over 16 pounds. So this is just equal to 7.5 pounds. So our answer here is letter A. Okay, which of the following is an equivalent form of this expression here? So we just have to simplify everything. We distribute this one to the expression inside the parenthesis. So this is considered -1. So that would be 1.5x minus 2.4 squared minus 5.2x squared plus 6.4, because negative times negative is positive. And this expression here can be written as 1.5x minus 2.4 times 1.5x minus 2.4, okay, minus 5.2x squared plus 6.4. And then by using the FOIL method or the distributive property, okay, we multiply 1.5x times 1.5x, so that is equal to 2.25x squared. Then negative 2.4 times 1.5, that is negative 3.6x. Then 1.5x times negative 2.4, that is negative 3.6x. And then 2.4 times 2.4, which is 5.76, minus 5.2x squared plus 6.4. Now we can group like terms. So we group this one and this one, and then this one and this one, this one and this one. So we have, okay, by adding 2.25x squared and negative 5.2x squared, we get negative 2.95x squared. And then negative 3x minus negative 3.6 minus 3.6x, that would give us negative 7.2x. And then 5.76 plus 6.4, that is equal to 12.16. Therefore, our equation is this one, letter C, negative 2.95x squared minus 7.2x plus 12.16. Okay. In the 1908 Olympic Games, the Olympic marathon was lengthened from 40 kilometers to approximately 42 kilometers. Of the following, which is closest to the increase in the distance of the Olympic marathon in miles? And it says that 1 mile here is approximately equal to 1.6 kilometers. So it's lengthened from 40 kilometers to 42 kilometers. So to solve for the increase in the distance, you just have to subtract 42 and 40 kilometers. So that would give us 2 kilometers. So that is the increase. And now we need to convert that into miles. So 2 kilometers times 1 mile, which is just equal to 1.6 kilometers. So this is just equal to 1.25 miles.